Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add information about yourself and customize your Get Your Guide profile. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner, then tap on the profile button in the settings section and then type in your first name and your last name. Then to the contact details section, you should type in your email address, then your phone number. After that, your date of birth should be entered and be selected on this calendar. So here you can select it, then click on the save button in the right side corner down below to save all this information about yourself, and then the profile section will be updated automatically, as you can see. So feel free to come back to change any of the relevant details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.